Hey guys, this is Manish from TradingSutra. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Guys, due to some personal problem, I was inactive from 20th December 2019 and could not give any regular updates over the index. We are back. Let's see where we are. So guys, if you remember our first ever idea of Nifty Sutra episode 1 that I was expecting a downfall from this zone to complete this pattern, and I have also mentioned about a plan B if the level of 10,550 and 600 zone does not hold. I have also mentioned about the monthly chart of the Nifty, and I have told that it will be discussed later. So guys, this is the same chart which I have mentioned in the episode 1. It is related to the Elliott wave counts. So what I have observed at that time that on the monthly chart there was a formation of ending diagonal, and this was the level which I have mentioned in the episode 1 that 10,550 is the most important level, after which we had to switch to the plan B. Okay, so what was the plan B? And let's understand that. So guys, this is the same monthly chart and the counts which I have on my charts. Let's see how the charts has developed. So guys, if I say this level as a wave 1 and this as a wave 2, the wave 3 should be the strongest and the largest wave, comprising of the 5 wave structure and the lower degree. So if we see on the lower degree, we see this as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and extended wave 5, comprising of 5 wave structure of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and a wave 5 as the ending diagonal, and the ending diagonal indicates the exhaustion of a trend, and this was the indication of this long-term trend. We can say that the third wave has been completed here. Okay, that is the level of 12,400 zone, and after the confirmation of the breakout of this ending diagonal pattern, the target should be the 10,550 and 10,000. So 10,550 was a critical level, and also this 10,000 mark level. But what happened that the market was just waiting for a bad news, and it came in the form of the dangerous pandemic issue of coronavirus, and this created a panic in the market and gave a reason for selling. So what's now? So in the previous week we have seen that Nifty has formed a low of 7,800, and from that level it gave a rebound and reached the level of 8,750 zone. So what will be the next strategy? It will depend on this level, that is 7,800, which is an important level. Why this is an important level? Let me show you. Let me draw a channel, parallel channel from this. Okay, channeling is the most important part of the Elliott wave analysis. So this is the channel. So you can see that exactly in the channel it took the support here. Okay, now to know more about the further movement of the Nifty index, let us go into the lower time frame. So guys, this is the 4-hour chart of the Nifty. So if I see Nifty as a bear market, and if I designate this as a top, I will move in a fashion of 5 wave structure, that is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5, in which every downside movement will take place in a 5 wave structure, and every corrective move in a ABC structure, that is comprising of 3 wave structure. So if I designate this as a wave 1 and wave 2, the third wave should be the largest wave, and comprising of the 5 wave structure, that is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. So these intermediate waves completing this wave 3, and as long as this level, that is 7,800, is maintained, Nifty is likely to give a relief rally in the form of a correction of this downfall in a 3 wave structure, that is ABC fashion. So what I am expecting at this level, that this is the temporary bottom which has made by the Nifty in the previous week, and as long as this level of 7,800 is maintained, we should be in the long position for a target zone of 9,900 and 10,000 mark. Okay, in a 3 wave structure completing the wave 4, and if Nifty starts ejecting from this level, we will create a short position for a target zone of this 8,900 and 7,800, and if this level breaks, we have to be ready for the level of 6,800 zone. But before this, we should focus on this move, which can be a choppy move and time consuming move. It can reach here in a shorter time interval also, but it will consolidate in this zone. Okay, so that will be the matter of further discussion, but as of now, as long as 7,800 is maintained, we have to be long on every tip for a target zone of 9,500 and 10,000 zone. So as of now, this much only. Meet you on another episode of Nifty Sutra. Till then, bye bye. Light up Skechers, light up my bag. I like your Skechers, you like me, my Gucci shoes.